Hey, what's up everybody? Brian with Lean by Doing. I am at the build site today to check in. It has been a while since I've done an update and a ton has gotten done. So let's take a look. We are now fully sided on the front of the building. As you can see, we have our horizontal siding, our light gray, and our horizontal siding across the front. And all of the trim for the wood grain around the top is in. And this thing looks so good. Real fresh, real clean. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Walking in the showroom from the front door, as you can see, a ton has gotten done in here. If you look up top here, you can see the second level and they're working on that. We have the lower level office area. We have a big double door here to go into our break room. And we got stairs to go upstairs. Let's check it out upstairs. So now you're looking upstairs. One of the things I did, I wanted to keep it super lean. So we poured concrete on the second level. That way we don't have a bunch of maintenance to do. We don't carpet, we don't have wood floors, nothing. We can just have this nice concrete, makes it easy, keeps it lean, keeps it clean. Over here is my podcast studio, conference room. And then down here, we have a couple of closets, a couple of bathrooms. And then on the other end here, we have a 30 by 30 gym. So this whole area up here will be our company gym. Walking here and looking out onto the shop floor, as you can see, we've got a lot of things done as well. And the building's drying out. It's a little humid here in Michigan, but hey, it's getting there. Walking into the break room, and you can see here is how the ceiling is gonna look. Kind of industrial and cool. We'll probably put some sound deadening in here a little bit, but this is a ginormous break room and a great spot for my team to relax when they're not working. Behind me in this corner is where we're gonna host our morning meetings. So right here, we are already segmented off. We have this nice window, we have this nice area. Keeps us on the shop floor, which is important, I believe, for a morning meeting, but it also keeps it out of the way, gives it its own area, and it's right near the employee entrance and the break room. This is our welding area, and RoboVent is in setting up our makeup air system. So you can see the pipes going down each side. Next, we need to hang a curtain for the welding area, but this is awesome progress as well. Now we're going upstairs into the middle area. This is that office space that I had talked about earlier, not sure what we were gonna use it for because nobody wanted to be in offices upstairs. So this is gonna be our war room, our bay room, whatever you may call it. This will be where we can plan all of our improvements. We can look at our metrics and our numbers, have a nice little conference room table where we can all stand around in here and talk about all the things we can do to help the shop floor. We upgraded our wash booth for our powder coating. As you can see here, I found this on Marketplace, pretty good deal used. We were able to get that installed. And then this here is our whole reclamation process for our wash so that we're not spraying to waste all of our chemicals. This thing will recycle, which is super cool. And so that's the next thing to get turned on and fired up and operating. Outside the back of the building, you can see our dust collector for our RoboVent system, and then these two containers. And what's really cool about these containers, inside of this one is a nitrogen generation system for our laser. And over here is our air compressors and our shop air generator. And all of that sits outside, is plumbed into the building, but we don't have to give up the square footage for all of this equipment. So it's really great to see all of this getting done so quickly, and we are about ready to start moving over our equipment and making this our new home. So very excited, and I will keep you guys updated as we make more progress.